and welcome to today's video. Today you join me at our new house. It's been a hectic 7 months, but we're here. We've finally got the keys. Today we're taking the new car to a track, but we're not doing a track day. So yes, we bought a new car. It is mainly to do track stuff with, and I thought, well, what better way to take it out for the first time than to go to a track, to where it's going to be most of the time, and show it what its new life is going to be all about. Now, as always, I am about 20 minutes behind, so we're going to go and get the car out, and we'll catch up on the road. I think stop at Starbucks on the way is going to be a necessity. Where the Megane has come from. If you're fairly new to my channel, then awesome, thanks for stopping by. But if you've been here a while, you'll know that obviously I've got the two minis, the blue one and the grey K-swap one, and there will still be mini content to come, but I just had an itch to scratch, and it was one of these. It is a bit noisy in here, but obviously no back seats, full stainless exhaust. I love it. I'm sorry about the audio if you can barely hear me over the tyre noise and the exhaust, but what a car. This is something that I've wanted for a while. A bit of a shock to a lot of my friends and a lot of people that follow me and what I do. When you go to the Nürburgring, if you're familiar, you'll see three cars more often than not. A Porsche, all of the Porsches, a BMW M3 42, none of which I could afford not only to buy but to maintain. And then these Megane RS's, Cups, the 250, 265, 275, even now the newer ones, the Megane 4s, and they're just phenomenal. I've been there, well, other than COVID, I've been there every year, and these things just smash past you like they're not even trying. And it was something that I just wanted to get into and see what the fuss was all about, and I'm glad I did. Now, don't judge me, coffee lovers, but the only place to stop on the 55 for a decent coffee is Starbucks. Onwards! MSV, whichever one. They both look the same. Oh my god, that is some wang. Look at the wing! Jesus. Hey. That's not something you see every day. Busier than I thought it was going to be today. God, some cool cars here today. Let's have a wander, find what we can find, see what we can find. Woo. That is never a good sign. And there's red flags. So I walked all this way and now nothing's going to be coming over it for quite some time. I tell you, these things, these little Yaris's, they are impressive. The way they go around corners is phenomenal. Just this little bend here, the way it carries the speed through is ridiculous. Unreal car. Oh god, I hope they're okay, whatever's happened. There's that massive wang, yeah. It's a Clio versus Mini. Oh, he hasn't got a headlight. That's dangerous actually. I've seen a Mini bonnet fly it, not running a headlight before now. I just noticed that the Mini actually doesn't have a hole in its headlight. It's a blanking plate with a tiny little hole, which I'm assuming is feeding directly to the intake. Pretty cool idea. Don't see many of them on track. The Supra, I mean. Right, so as I was late, it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna head back, get some food, and hopefully meet up with Miles, who's heading over to spend a couple of hours just away from the office. Hopefully we can get some food. It's weird at this time of year seeing everything shut and closed, and all of this is just open, empty spaces. Just strange. Broken down Subaru? Or tactically parked Subaru? Well, I think we've found out why the track was shut. And now we have flat white and a Delta. Whew.
Sent it on the trailer.
Well, that was a good day all in all, and a nice way to bring the Renault into the limelight, show it what it needs to live up to and what it needs to do. But the weather's just turned and it's getting a bit cold, so it's time for heading home. Thanks for watching and coming along for the day. I know it was short and I tried to capture as much as I could without being very samey, which is not too easy at a track day. And yeah, we'll see where the journey with the Megane takes us, and hopefully see it on the next one. Catch you in a bit.